Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to set up your Apex funded account with NinjaTrader. So here we are in the NinjaTrader and we are going to do an Apex Trader funding connection guide. So right here you want to go to your NinjaTrader connections and configure. From there you want to select your MyRhythmic for NinjaTrader brokerage and then you go to system and select your Apex. From there it's just that simple and you apply it, and of course you will have to actually place in your username and your password so that you'll be able to log in using your Rhythmic for your own setuping your Apex funded account with NinjaTrader. Once you've done this, you'll be able to use it side by side with NinjaTrader and you'll be on your way to trade your fortunes. And it's just that simple to set it up here. So again, if you were lost in the two steps that I just told you, connections, configure, you will have to just go here in the configuring section, MyRhythmic for NinjaTrader brokerage, system, Apex. You place your own actual details right here and you'll be on your way.